Cutie. What's this? Someday somebody needs to come up with a toy that's like that. Mama. What's in there? What is that? Can you get that? Nice. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Hey. Like a box with a bunch of handkerchiefs inside of it where the baby can just pull them all out and then we just stuff them back in. Cutie pootie. Sean. Hi. Yeah. So I think we can reuse these as long as we don't get them wet with your sippy cup. Where are you going? Can you say banana? Banana. Hey. Boo. Abba. Where you going? You put that up there? Okay. Are you done? Are you done? No? You gonna put it back? Whew. Sean. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake, fast as you can. Roll it and pat it, and mark it with the B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay, baby! Patty cake. Baby patty cake. You're so silly. I love you. Happy baby. Bye-bye.